Riley and Harley are very appropriate. You got some nice play going.
Oh, they sure do.
No jump, no jump.
So just be careful when this is the larger group, when they start to get wound up a little bit, watch your knees. They can take you out.
Little ones are always looking for
Little ones
food.
are checking out the room.
I don't know if I can hit you.
I know I get a treat.
You want, don't ever want to.
Like your dog.
No, you'll be coming to me.
Let's do another quick gotcha.
Oh.
I'm ready. Gotcha. Good job.
And then release again. We're going to do one more quick, let them play a little bit longer.
I need other treats. You want to take these?
I don't want to break it up. Cody says I want you to take it. So now Gracie's starting to roll. Here we go. We got some nice shakes. Watch these sticks.
We have a Jimmy Shepherd at home too that she plays with.
Let's do a gotcha with these two. And feed. And feed.
The chicken. I'll have to bring chicken next week.
Yeah, and I'll give you some more. And make sure it's just, make it even smaller for her. She doesn't need a full feed.
It's okay.
All right, so let's put our leashes on and let's bring them back to our leash. And one